Hello and welcome to my art spa. My name is Anna and today I'll be working still with my big gel plate. However, I'm going to do things a little different. I'm going to use thinner acrylic paint and I'll be using half of my plate. You will see I will use both halves but separately. So what I want to do is show you two different ways to do 2-layer prints. First, you set your stencil, press it really good so that the paint doesn't slip underneath. And I'm gonna do a layer of black for my keys and keyholes. And I'll just accelerate through this so that we'll go straight to the results. There we go. Now I have my first layer ready, and this stencil is just leftover from a project I did with my silhouette. So it's just paper stencils, homemade. So now I'm gonna let that paint dry a little, and here on the other half, I'm gonna do a layer of yellow because my final result's gonna be a yellow background with the keys as the accent of the print. So again, I'll accelerate through this and we'll move on to the final result. And now I will have my background ready on this one page so that I'm gonna do a 2-layer print, but pulling twice. I pulled the background on that yellow, and now that it's a little dry, I'm gonna pull the actual keys, the second layer, which was already drying a little there, but it's still a little wet. So I am gonna press real good, and this was the first way to get a 2-layer print. You do the layers separately, the background, and then you do the layer with whatever image you want it to be the second layer, and you pull again. Let's see the results. You will have a very nice bright yellow background, but the keys, you see it's a bit on the light side. Now, the second way to do a 2-layer print is to go ahead and put the yellow right there on top of the actual black first layer. And that needs to be really dry, or else you'll make a mess. And you will see, even though I really let that black layer dry, I'm still gonna see a pretty dirty result. Quite different than the first one that I pulled twice. So I'll let you be the judge of it. I'm gonna show both results. I am quite happy with my prints, and they're not perfect, but again, gel printing can be frustrating, and I personally use it mostly to do background, so I work mostly with abstract prints, but I am pushing myself and trying to get some specific results, like in this case, the keys. So see, you press it really good to let that paper really absorb all the layers, all the paint. And you should get something like this. Let's see. Not happy yet? Press some more. Oh, and let me take opportunity to show you what I did with the print from last week's video. There, I made it, I used it. I like using my stuff and not creating huge amounts to just accumulate stuff. So there's the result. This one, you see, the black still contaminates that yellow. Quite different than the first one. What do you think? Yeah, let me show you this one. The keys have a very interesting texture. I quite like this one. And this one, even though it's pretty dirty, I don't mind it. I think I can use them. I'm really, yeah, I think still work in progress. And I want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks for the comments. You've been leaving words of encouragement. That's very nice. I'm starting this channel, so I really appreciate your feedback. And yeah, stay inspired. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again next week. And next week, I'll be recording from Brazil, you guys. So I'm really excited. I'm traveling again. Thursday, I'll be in Rome. Friday, I'll be in Brazil. I'll see you then. Bye.